students, welcome to our next session. Today I am going to give the introduction about 11th class units and dimension in physics. We have to see physical quantities. We have two types of physical quantities: fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantities. First we have to see what are the physical quantities. Any quantity which can be measured directly or indirectly, or in terms of which any laws of physics can be expressed. This can be called as physical quantity. Means the physical quantity is the quantity which is used in physics that can follow the laws of physics. Some laws of physics can be considered as physical quantities. We have two types of physical quantities. That is fundamental physical quantity, FPQ, and second one derived physical quantity, DPQ. We have to see what is the fundamental physical quantity. Fundamental physical quantities, another name is base quantities. Means these are the basic quantities. That quantities can follow two conditions here. First one is it should be independent of each other. Means the fundamental physical quantity does not depend on other quantities. And second one is all other quantities may be expressed in terms of the fundamental physical quantities. The fundamental physical quantities are independent of each other. Means it does not depend on other quantities. The remaining quantities which we used in physics are called as derived physical quantities. Except that fundamental physical quantities are the derived physical quantities. See, we have the definition of derived physical quantities also. The physical quantities which are directly or indirectly depends on fundamental physical quantities, FPQ. Fundamental physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. Students, remember, we have two types of physical quantities: fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantities are independent and derived physical quantities are depends on fundamental physical quantity directly or indirectly. Here we have the SI units of fundamental physical quantities. We have 7 fundamental physical quantities here. Besides the fundamental physical quantities, we have 2 supplementary physical quantities and their units. We have to see that 7 fundamental physical quantities. First one, length. Its units is meter and the symbol is m. Here you should remember, after the units don't put full stop, comma, exclamatory, any symbols. That is a rule here. And second quantity is mass. Its units is kilogram and the symbol is kg. And time, third quantity, its units is second and the symbol is S. And fourth quantity, electric current. Electric current unit is ampere and its symbol AMP. Don't put full stop after any units. That you should remember. Thermodynamic temperature, fifth quantity, thermodynamic temperature, its units is Kelvin and symbol is K. Sixth one, amount of substance, its unit is mole and symbol MOL. Seventh quantity, luminous intensity. Unit is candela and symbol CD. And we have, besides of these 7 physical quantities, 2 supplementary units that are plane angle. That unit is radian. It represents RAD, means that is the symbol RAD. And solid angle, its unit is steradian and it represents as SR. This is about physical quantities and types of physical quantities and units, SI units of fundamental physical quantities and supplementary units. Next session we are going to discuss about derived physical quantity, derived units and their dimensional formulas. Thank you.